Flash flood warning.
At 4:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding will remain of South Central Ferry County. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Williams Flats fire. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county.
So I'm playing with Zoom here.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio Station West XL86 in Spokane. The official National Weather Service forecast for Northeast. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Ferry, Washington.
See, this is a CRT. Yeah, so I'm just gonna attempt to. So yeah.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Ferry County in northeastern Washington.
Turn this up. Turn this up. Where the hell is the?
Across the warned area. Flash flood to begin shortly. Flash flooding over South Central Ferry County. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in through the Williams Flats fire. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Ferry, Washington.
All right.